Hello filmmakers. Welcome to my channel. How are you guys? Today I want to make it some tutorial about After Effects. How to make audio spectrum like this. If you want it, don't forget to subscribe because I really appreciate that. So let's get to the tutorial After Effects. Welcome to my channel. How are you guys? Today I want to make it some tutorial about Hello filmmakers. Yo guys, that's the tutorial for today. I hope you enjoyed it and comment in down below. For what next tutorial, Premiere Pro or After Effects should I do? Don't forget to like. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to share. Don't forget to comment, and as always, thanks for watching. Peace out.